This machine is a semi-automatic folding mask breathing valve welding machine. The whole machine only requires one person to place the folding mask body on the fixture station of the back-end machine. When the front end vibrates the plate, the breathing valve keeps one direction, and the back-end machine will realize automatic welding breathing valve to automatically take out finished products. It improves production efficiency, saves labor costs, and also improves product quality. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us.